Tech Garage, presented by RockAuto.com, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. AP Laser, leading the way. And by RockAuto.com, all the parts your car will ever need.
Welcome back to Tech Garage, presented by RockAuto.com. It's hashtag MTTT time. That's the Master Technician's Tech Tip, and it's all about headlights. That's a safety issue, man. You want to see, and other people want to see you. So we're going to give you some tips that'll help you with your headlight system. Let's actually go over the evolution of headlights. You can see right here we have the old seal beam headlight. Well, you know, that was in the cars in the back. You just plug it in and you're good to go. No worries there. Then we went to these incandescent bulbs. You can see here the old Tangs. You guys remember this one for sure. The offset tangs, don't put it in backwards. If they're equal, just make sure you're putting it in the right way. Then we stepped it up to these halogen right here. That's actually what our Mustang employs, is the halogen headlights. Couple tips here: you definitely don't want to touch the bulb. You don't want to get your finger oils on that bulb or you're going to shorten the life of it. Now, RockAuto.com sent us these actual Wagner True View. This is actually going to brighten up a lot brighter than the normal headlight on our Mustang. Then some of the cars today have HID, high intensity discharge. That's really cool because that's located right here. Now the neat part about this, you got this huge arc tube that goes over and creates a ginormous spark and then gets it lit. Then it doesn't take much electricity to burn once it's lit. Now let's head over to the Mustang here. You can see every car is a little bit different. You may have to go in the back and take some bolts apart. This one's really simple. There's just two clips here. So if I grab these clips and I slide them out, this is called a composite headlamp. Now what I can do here is just kind of wiggle it and fight with it. It's not going to be easy, but see if I can get it out of here. There it goes. Okay, got a couple plugs back here, electrical plug here and one on the side. Other than that, voila, it comes right out. That's nice. Now notice the back part of it. Now this is a halogen bulb, and because it's a halogen bulb, you don't want to touch the bulb element itself. So what I'm going to do is just take the plastic off, twist it around, and pop it off. That's the retainer ring right there. Now the bulb, a lot of them just come in there and pop in there like this one, or you may have to put it in and twist and lock it. It just depends on your make and model. Now there's our halogen bulb. So don't touch the element right there. Just replace it, put the new bulb in, put your ring back on, reverse the procedure. It's just that easy. That's gonna make sure you're safe, people can see you, and you can see down the road. Now, if you really wanna step it up, Tom and Dave have some LEDs to look at.
Throughout the history of the automobile, we're used to changing headlights and taillights by pulling off the cover and changing the bulb. But Tom, headlights have evolved. How have they changed through just really recently?
Yeah, in the last 5 or 6 years, started with the luxury brands, and now it's kind of moving to everything. Manufacturers are switching from a separate incandescent bulb that you replace individually to LEDs that are built into the headlamp assembly. So at RockAuto.com, instead of looking under bulbs, you look under body for the whole headlamp assembly. The good news is that so far they don't seem to be burning out. People are replacing the entire assembly because they've been in a wreck and damaged it. Maybe eventually they'll start discoloring from the sun and need to be replaced for that reason. But you know, so far the LEDs are holding up.
Very cool. And it's not just these assemblies that you have at RockAuto.com. Also, if you have an older vehicle that does take bulbs, like back in the old days, 6 or 7 years ago, you guys can cover us there too with LEDs.
Yeah, that you can get LED lights for your dash lights, for your backup light, brake lights, the license plate light, you name it. And they offer the advantage of being cooler and drawing less current and lasting a lot longer. So they can be easier on old wiring, not drawing as much current. If you take your dash apart to replace a bulb, you don't have to do it again, probably in your lifespan, hopefully. Or, I don't say it that way. Hopefully you don't have to do it for a long time. And they just make the vehicles look cool. Everything from little bulbs to the headlamps you can replace with LED.
Well, from headlights to taillights and everything in between, RockAuto.com has you covered.
Well, the AC's blowing ice cold, but once again, Dave left me hanging. I had to put the whole glove box back together. Dave, come on, man.
Are your white gloves dirty there, sir?
Yeah, I got a little bit dirty, but hey, great job today, you know. And it's awesome filming here at Chipola College Tech Garage because we got an abundance of cars. I mean, this is actually Jamie. He's a director down at the Public Service Department, and they train our men in blue, man. We love them.
It's very cool to take care of the people that take care of us.
Absolutely, and I hope you all had a good time today. I know we did. It was suspension was all about electronic suspension. A lot of things going electronic. We talked about, you know, you light up my life.
Well, John, I'm pretty sure this it's copyrighted, but I don't think they're going to recognize it the way you sang it.
Yeah, well, we lit up Tech Garage. During the MTTT, we did all the lighting and bulbs, and then bam, here we are with another one. Another win, Dave.
And speaking of technology here, we learned how the blower unit on an air conditioning system, heater system, used to run with resistors like this, and then it's evolved into a chip like we had in our vehicle here in the Toyota. And then there's this whole computer command control that is the latest and greatest. You see the giant heatsink on there. The evolution from this to this is just remarkable.
The evolution of cars, man. I mean, computer command control, that's what Tech Garage is all about, Dave. And, you know, we have no worries. We can handle it.
You got it. We're going to do it once again next week. In the meantime, though, you can check us out on social media, see what we're up to, and send John a note and tell him how he's doing.
Yeah, all that good stuff. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. We're out of time for this week, folks, but join us next week for more Tech Garage, Dave. I won't be needing this anymore. This is the hoodie from earlier, so
all right,
let's get rid of that.
Hey!
Oh, great. Now what?
See you next time.
Unbelievable.
Production assistance for Tech Garage is provided by Chipola College, located in Marianna, Florida. Founded in 1947, Chipola was ranked recently as one of the top 3 community colleges in the United States.